What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, as you can read by the title below or above my head, we are going to do a full walk around of the Zosh's Integra, because it's Percy vlogging now. So when we get to the Integra, dude, I scratched my car earlier, and I'm very sad because I'm ruining my beautiful paint job. I'm so sad right now. Before we forward to go film this, let's show you my pain. Let's do that. Also, I am filming on the Sony a6100, so this is my first video with this camera. I got the flip up screen gleaming on your boy right now. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Hello, that's us. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Percy's Chinese buffet. That's racist. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go see. Well, let me show you guys the damage I've done to my beautiful, beautiful poor Integra. I'm so sad. I'm just so sad. Look at that, bro. And like it's like fingernail. I mean, it doesn't get caught. Oh, yeah, it does get caught. But it's not that bad, right? I don't know. I'm very sad. So I'm on my way to Fred's house. I'm gonna see how my boy doing, dog. This fool shot himself in the hand. If you're not subscribed to Fred's YouTube channel, please go subscribe. Just go subscribe. But this fool done shot himself in the hand. So he's walking around like he's Jesus or something with a big ass hole in his hand. So we're gonna go by there, probably wash the car, do what I always do, just go to Fred's house, wait, make his water bill go up, and hang out with him for a little bit, and film the car, what's it called, the 2020 walk around of the car, do all that stuff, and then, yeah, we'll see what else we get into for today's video. Change of plans, gotta go back home to, well, basically go back to where I live, to Chris, so he can fix the scratch that I did. I am here at the Wabi Sabi residence. Wabi Sabi. You guys should remember Chris, right? Yeah, remember this? Remember the 240. Damn, Chris, what are you doing to the 240, bro? God damn. Jeez. Last time, oh my goodness. Go wide body, they said. It'll be fun, they said. So this is the Wabi Sabi. And this is paint. This is all airbrush painted. So cool, man. So what Chris is doing is demonstrating sanding. We're gonna sand through. Look at that, it looks way better than what it did before.
Yeah, it ain't gonna come up though, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's fine. My mistakes, it's okay.
Yeah.
So I told when I got the car paint, I was like, man, I don't care too much about the paint job. I just wanted it, at least when I wash it, it look washed instead of looking the same if I wash it or not. Okay, all right, sweet. Cause I can't take care of shit. Super facts. But at least try to make it look somewhat presentable.
It's less obvious.
Oh, that's definitely livable. You barely even see it now. Hell yeah!
You could probably go after it more and get it out, but you break through and we're kind of screwed.
That should look good to me.
I think here is initially where you hit it. There's a little tiny chip.
Oh shit.
But you could probably like brush touch that up if you got any paint.
Yeah, I gotta get some touch-up paint, which I don't have, sadly.
Slacking, you really should.
I know.
I mean, for you.
Knowing me. I do need. I gotta get a touch-up. Like he was never there. So, made it to Fred's crib. What's up, Fred, bro? Hey, man. How you living, bro? You know what I hate about YouTube? I've been here for like 2 minutes, right? I already said what up to Fred. But now, since I got the camera on, you got it. This is how to vlog 101. So I'm at like I'd never seen Fred before I got here. Action. Oh, just made. Hold on, I gotta do this the right way. Oh God, this is so. I'm teaching people how to vlog. All right. Action. All right. Just pulled up to Fred's house. Oh, that boy already outside. Fred, what's happening, my youth? What's going on, bro? What's good with you?
What's up, Fred?
What's up, dog? So what happened to your arm, man? I already told people to go to your YouTube channel, subscribe. Like, just tell them, bro, meet be-itis, bro. You feel me? Meet be-itis when you beat too long.
Listen, dog, you just pulled up, bro. Like, don't come here with the fish talking, dog.
That's just what I do, bro. We're gonna get our matching fish tattoos, fam.
I'm gonna need for bought my fish for nothing, dog.
So we ain't getting our fish tattoos? Me and Rennie getting them Monday. You sliding?
Like, yeah, I fucking tell you. Oh. Yo, what's happening, man? So we on this nigga, bro. Don't do it to yourself, bro.
Kobe! What was what?
What was that shot, bro?
Hold on, let me redeem myself for Kobe Bryant, man. All right.
Don't say that man name if you ain't gon', bruh. Don't do it.
Kobe. Oh, hold on, that didn't count. That was Kobe when he was in 3rd grade. Let me reshoot. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna dunk the ball for Kobe.
So yeah, bruh. I shot myself in the hand, playing around with guns and shit. You feel me? Yeah, motherfucker, huh?
Yeah, I can't.
That's what you get. Say it.
But a Comcast van been parked for a minute, bruh.
I know, man.
They finna fire your ass.
I'm broke in a little bit. I can't even finish the bill.
What you need? I got money for you. How much you need, bro? This for vlog content. I gotta tell them that I'm rich. How much you need, bro?
You see the harness?
Uh-huh.
Harness about 5.
All right.
ECU.
Uh-huh.
K Pro.
Yeah. So you need what, like 15?
Yeah, about 15.
All right.
Injectors. Yeah.
You got PayPal?
I pay cash, PayPal, Zillow.
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 Zelle, nigga?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna PayPal
Cash
you.
App.
I'll PayPal you 15 right now. What's your PayPal info? Let me get my phone.
I got Apple Pay too.
All right, let's Apple Pay it.
You got the number. Better go ahead.
All right, let me go ahead and send you the 15 real quick. Hey, please like the button. This is how you support your friends in 2020. Please leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and buy a t-shirt down below. All proceeds will go to me.
Oh no.
You wanna take over, bro? Yeah. All right, so this is Fred's build, as you guys can see right here. Look at that focus, bro. Watch this. Autofocus gang on fleek. But yeah, if you want to see more of this, how I got painted and assembled and everything, subscribe to Batiman. I mean,
yo, Mario, cut out the fuck.
Badman Fred. Yeah. I mean, he did run. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Whenever I almost left my piece, bro. I gotta keep that thing on me at all times.
This nigga. Are you really recording that shit right now?
Huh? Alright, Fred, I'm gonna catch you later, bro. Y'all be easy.
Y'all make sure y'all drop a like and, you feel me?
Yeah, I
Help
just.
my dog out, bro, you feel me? Them shirts is fire, bro.
Damn, Fred. They ain't gonna do it, but I appreciate the support.
What's wrong with them, bro?
They
Maybe the main one saying when the merch gonna drop though, ain't it?
Yeah, it be
The merch gonna drop. Go ahead and cop. What you got going on, man?
You feel me? The red kind of do go with the green though. But the yellow, nah. I need blue seats. I need blue seats. Oh, so this is the part of the video where I go over the car to tell you guys what's all been done to a full walk around of the car, the build, whatever, the jig. This is probably the reason why you clicked on the video. If you did click on the video for this reason, please subscribe because I damage this car like every other day and I can never really run out of content because I'm always breaking something. So, without further ado, let's talk about it. So the first things first, we'll talk about the front end and then we'll work our way to the back. So this right here, this lip splitter combo is from Special Project Motorsports. This is a P1 lip. This retails for $500. It comes with the splitter. This is the lip. It's like a Type R lip molded to like another lip, I don't know, like a, I don't know, whatever. That's what I have along with the bracket. It does come with the splitter brackets too, which are quick disconnect brackets. So that's right there. That's the front end of the car. OEM headlights. OEM front bumper, I mean, yeah. CSF radiator, RBC manifold, hybrid racing fuel rail, hybrid racing intake, hybrid racing fuel pressure regulator, hybrid racing oil cap, fuel, what's it called? God, dipstick, stupid. Half-sport motor mounts, what else? I got a Mishimoto racing thermostat, OEM starter, OEM Nissan Slave, along with a S2000 clutch master. Yep, there we go, Zosh. You got it, bro. You got it, brother. And this is the engine bay. This has been freshly repainted by BODEVISION. He also painted the entire car, as you guys can see right here. I'll show you guys more of the car when I do it. But what else I got? What else I got in front? Hybrid racing shift cables, wireworx engine harness, along with a conversion harness. I think that's pretty much it. JDM Integra Type R brake booster with the brake master, which I think is failing. I have these Bosla LED headlights, which are pretty cool. I think that's it for the motor setup. And then to the wheels, we have 16x7 Rota Masters because they want to be Regas, but hey, whatever. Type R clear side turn signals from the homie Tristan. Track light fender cutouts for right here. People ask me all the time, what are these? These are track light fender cutouts. These are PCI seat. Oh, sweet. These are PCI side skirts right here. Same wheels in the back. Damn, Fred, what's up, boy? Look at the homie Fred. Our boy drove over to see his big dog. Jay's Racing spoiler with the Aerogenics 275mm wing stands, risers, whatever you want to call them. Cut bumper, top one rim motors diffuser, which I love so dearly. I just wish they did better on their shipping department. And guys, I don't work for Top One, so if you buy a part and it don't come, I can't. If you buy a part from Top One and it doesn't forward, I'm not the reason. Like I don't work with Top One. I can't help you. It's just, that's just what it is. This exhaust is a Blox 3-inch turn down that I got fixed because it was lovely. You don't care about that. What else I got? As far as the interior, here's most of the, like, here's some of the sponsors we have that supported the build. Right there. Yep. All right. Now I should open the trunk. All right, coming to the interior, which is kind of trash right now because, you know, I don't clean anything. Stock Integra LS seat, red Sparco Sprint seat, which I bought because I needed a seat, and the camera I'm using filming this is the reason why I got that seat, because I opted out to buy a better camera instead of buying 2 brand new seats. But I got race clip harnesses, Sparco 320mm steering wheel with downstar titanium hardware, Type R coin holder thing, hybrid racing shift box. This is the version 3 with their Maxim shift knob. I got a Broadway mirror. What else? Back here I got a PLM X bar painted inside, done also by BODEVISION. And I think that's it. My radio's in here. Radio's in there along with all the stuff. Password, JDM carbon fiber delete tray, airbag delete tray, AEM gauges for oil pressure, and a what's it called? Oil pressure and wideband. And yeah, that's pretty much really it. I'll turn it on so you guys can hear her. That 3-inch baby. That's it. So everything I got done to the car. Oh, I also got downstar hardware too. I forgot to mention that. All this is like downstar hardware. Got to get it freshened up. I gotta get some new hardware, but that's it. My brake tuck is done by wireworx. I got a wireworx brake tuck. That's pretty much it. So as far as suspension is concerned, I have Type 2 function informed coilovers along with the MPC MPC rear control arms with their subframe brace. And for the front, I'm on the same thing with Skunk 2 camber kits, Skunk 2 top camber kits with harder race bushings and my stock lower control arms. Camber kits are eBay camber kits, are RDT, I believe, which I need to upgrade into something better, maybe some PCIs for sure. And for my spring rates from the back, they are IBOC, right there, you can see them. Cool, look at that focus. And yeah, now that's the complete haul of the car. God. Got all that, dog. I'm a YouTuber now, bro. I am a full-blown YouTuber.
You want a nitrous kit you got?
Oh, damn, I didn't. Now I gotta hide that.
Oh, my bad. That's on hush hush.
Yeah, bro. I'm talking about that nitrous, bro.
That's how you use the beat, Randy.
Hey, come on, don't do that. He's lying, y'all. He's lying. All of my fuel on this car is done by JBtuned. So if you need fuel stuff for your vehicle, hit up JBtuned on Instagram at JBtuned, and he'll get you squared away.
JB, if you're listening, what's up?
Yeah. Fred needs some JB stuff, bro.
Damn. Yeah, we started for me though.
What?
Oh my God, I almost dead. No, the chain came off.
So, quick update. I'm in the new merch that you guys will see eventually. I'm doing my product shots with Jay Queasy. So, that's what's going on. Now I gotta do some clips that you're gonna see in the intro of probably this video, I think. Maybe not this video, but next video. But you know, intro shots. What's happening?